This is what the stock exhaust of my Kawasaki Ninja 250 sounded like when I bought it. So come along with me, guys. I got the new SC Project exhaust and I'm taking it to my mechanic now to get it fixed. Let's go. Sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? You know, one of the best things about driving a sport bike is that you get to hear the sound, and when you hear that sound, you know you're driving a sport bike. When everybody you pass hears that sound, they know you're riding a sport bike. You get there's a certain feeling that comes, goosebumps on your skin when your exhaust sounds crazy when you're driving by. You get so it's a dream for any new rider, any beginner rider who just got their first bike to swap out their old, heavy, clunky, silent stock exhaust and get something louder, angrier, sharper. And I chose the SC Project exhaust because after I've done so much research on YouTube, I was doing exhaust comparison. Oh, what sounds better on the Ninja 250R? Is it the Black Widow exhaust? Is it Austin Racing? Is it Akrapovic? And after watching maybe close to 30 videos over the past 6 months, I realized that I kind of like the bass that the shorty SC Project exhaust gives the Ninja 250R. I kind of like the bass you get. Akrapovic sounded nice, but well, it wasn't full enough. You get the proper sport bike scream with the Akrapovic, but I wanted something more bassy, especially in low RPMs. And so I said, you know what? If I wasn't going to get an Austin Racing exhaust, I'll just get a an SC Project exhaust, and this costed me about probably less than this costed me less than maybe about $25 perhaps to get. Uh, Now you guys can you can get it this cheap. You get don't be surprised. You can get a very good sounding SC Project exhaust for as cheap as $25 or less. You don't have to go and buy the $400 version that SC Project is selling you directly. You don't have to. It's the sound you're chasing. So you can get the same sound basically without having to spend so much money. But hey, if you have $400, no problem. Spoil yourself. You deserve it. Getting the exhaust change wasn't as simple as I imagined. I thought we were going to have something easy. You can just swap it in, swap it out, so that if I want a quiet day, I can just swap in the old exhaust and have a quiet day. But it was way more complicated to fix than I imagined. Imagine having to take the bike and go somewhere else to like a welder or something to uh, weld it in place or something. Imagine having to raise the tank to get see there were lots of complicated things they did to get it working that I didn't think we would do, but something I thought would take about just 20 minutes ended up taking me about 2 hours to fix. Come and hear the after sound. You heard the before sound in the beginning. Listen to this right now. Listen to this. Listen to the sound of the SC project on my Ninja 250R. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head.